So hello guys, welcome to the fourth lecture of the chapter Arithmetic Progression. Right, in the last lecture, that is in lecture number 3, we saw what does an nth term of an AP mean and how to find the nth term of any given AP. Right, we saw that nth term of an AP can be found out using the formula a of n equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Right, remember this formula guys, this is the most important formula under this topic. Right, a of n equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, where a of n is the nth term which we have to find the value of nth term, and a is the first term of that AP, and d is the common difference between a succeeding and a preceding term. There's the common difference between each term, between each two terms in the entire AP, and n is the number of terms present in that AP. Right guys, and we also solved few examples based upon nth term of an AP. After that, now we are going to exercise number 5.2 guys, which is based upon nth term of an AP. Right, so I'm pretty sure that, so one more thing guys, so before watching this lecture, please make sure that you watch the previous lecture, that's the lecture number 3, because if you had watched that previous lecture and then you come to this lecture, I'm pretty sure this entire exercise you will feel it damn easy to solve it. But if you had skipped that, then it might be a bit tough guys. So please make sure that you watch that lecture. It's just 40 minutes. You can easily watch it once. It's one time watch, right? After that you'll be thorough with the concept forever. So it's worth the time giving guys. So please make sure that you watch it. Okay guys, after that you can watch this lecture and go ahead with the entire exercise. So in this lecture guys, we'll solve the entire exercise for 5.2. Right, so let's go ahead with the first question guys. First question says, fill in the following table given that a is the first term, d the common difference, and an the nth term of an AP. Getting it guys? Just now I wrote an equation, right? an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So here are the four things guys in that equation. Okay, I'll write it again guys. So this is the equation, right? a of n equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So in this equation guys, if you see, there are four variables, right? A of n is the first variable, a is the second variable, n is the third variable, and d is the fourth variable. So given any three variables, we'll be able to find the fourth variable, correct? No, in any equation guys, for example, if there's an equation with three variable, if they had given you the value of two variable, and if you have to find the value of third variable, you can find it, right? How much ever they let the variable be in an equation, but if they give you the value of all other variables leaving one variable, then you will be able to find the value of that variable as well guys. So in this question, if you see, they are given 5 sub question where in the 4 values they are given 3 values. We have to find the fourth value which is unknown, right? As I said you, in four variables, if you know the 3 variables, then you will be able to find the fourth variable guys. Right, so it's easy. We have to just put this value into the equation, and then we have to just simplify the equation to get the unknown value. As simple as that guys. Okay, I'll do the first sub question, and then you'll get an idea. Right, so they are given as a equal to 7, d equal to 3, n equal to 8. We have to find a of n. So let a of n equal to, right, a of n equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. In place of a, n and d, we will be putting these values now. So a is 7 plus n is 8 minus 1 into d. d is 3. Right, now if you solve this, this becomes 7 plus this is 8 minus 1 is 7. 7 into 3 is 21 equal to 28. If you see this guys, we got the value of an. See guys, how easily we got the value of an. It's as simple as that. So an equal to 28. Right, okay, an equal to 28. This was the value which we had to find. We found it. Now let's go to the second sub question guys. Same formula in an equal to a. This is the main formula guys. Highlight it. An equal to a plus n minus 1 in d. In the same formula, we'll put all these values leaving d, right? Because we don't know the value of d, we'll keep d as it is and then find the value of d as well. So an they gave us 0 equal to a they gave us minus 18 plus n minus 1, right? N is 10, so it is 10 minus 1 into d. Okay guys, now we have to find the value of d. Now I'll bring 18 this side. Getting it? I'll bring 18 to LHS. That time it will become minus 18 will become plus 18 equal to, so this will become 10 minus 1 becomes equal to 9d. That time d will become equal to 18 by 9, which is nothing but equal to 2. Getting it guys? We found the value of d. So d is nothing but 2 here in this case. Done. Now let's go to the third sub question. Okay guys, for third sub question I will have to rub few part. Okay, I'll do the third sub question here. Yeah guys, I'll do it here. So in third sub question, they have not given the value of a, but all other three they have given. So in place of a, we'll keep it as a of n is minus 5 equal to a plus n minus 1. N is 18 minus 1 into d. So d is minus 3. Right. Now we have to find the value of a. We'll just simplify it guys. We'll get the value of a automatically. Right. So this will become minus 5 equal to a plus, this is 17 into 3 and but minus 3, which means 17 into minus 3 is 54, right? Is it 54? Just a minute guys. 17 to 3, 21. Sorry guys, it's 51. Getting it? So it's minus 51. Right, so this forms your equation. Now what I'll do is, now I'll take minus 51 to LHS so that I'll get a as equal to minus 5 plus 51, which will become equal to plus 46. Getting it guys? On simplifying, you'll get the value of a as 46. Now let's go to the fourth sub question guys. Okay guys, I'll move aside now. You can take the screenshot of that. After that, we can go for the fourth and the fifth sub question. Right. Done guys, took the screenshot. Shall I start rubbing it now? Okay guys, done. Okay guys, so after the question number sub question 3, now let's go to the sub question 4, right? Sub question 4 is, we have to find the value of n, right? We'll put all the other values. A of n is 3.6 equal to, a is equal to minus 18.9 plus n minus 1 into d. D is 2.5. Okay guys, so this became your equation. Now we have to find the value of n. So now what I'll do is, now I'll bring this, okay, first let me expand it. 3.6 equal to minus 18.9 plus 2.5n minus 2.5. Done guys. Now what I'll do is, now I'll bring that minus 2.5 to LHS, that time it will become, and also this minus 18.9 to LHS, that time it will become 3.6 plus 18.9 plus 2.5 equal to 2.5n. Getting it guys? Now if you add up all these, you will get 25. Getting it? If you want, you can add up and see it guys. So see, this will become 22 and a half, and this will become 23, 24, 25. Getting it guys? It will become 25. So this becomes 25 equal to 2.5n. So n will become equal to 25 by 2.5, which is nothing but equal to 10. So here guys, the value of n in this fourth sub question is 10. Done guys. Now let's go to the fifth sub question. I'll do it here itself guys. So we have to find the value of a of n in the fifth sub question. So a of n equal to, a is 3.5 plus n minus 1, that is 105. Okay, 105 minus 1 into d. So d is 0 guys. The difference is 0 between the terms. So this entire quantity will become 0 because anything multiplied into 0 is 0. So a of n will remain as 3.5. Getting it guys? A of n will remain as 3.5. As simple as that guys. So this was your first exercise guys. I mean first question of your exercise 5.2. Now I'll move aside. You can take the screenshot. After this, let's go to the second question. Okay guys, so now let's go to question number 2, right? Question number 2 says, choose the correct choice in the following and justify. So the first sub question of question number 2 is 30th term of the AP 10, 7, 4 and so on is. Okay guys, so here in the first sub question they have given us a AP, right, which is a decreasing AP because it starts from 10 and it's going on decreasing 10, 7, 4 and so on, right? And we have to find the 30th term of this AP, So what's the nth term of an AP formula guys? An equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, right? So we have to find the 30th term, that is a of 30 we got to find. Okay guys, let's start putting the values. A is 10, right? A is the first term of an AP, which is 10 here, plus n minus 1. Since it's 30th term, n is going to be equal to 30 minus 1 into d. So what's d guys? If you see that the difference is 3, right? the difference between 10 and 7 is 3 and it's decreasing, which means it's minus 3, right? You can also do it with the formula a2 minus a1. If you do that, you will get 7 minus 10, which is minus 3, which means D is minus 3, right? Now we have to just solve this, guys, and then we'll be getting the answer, right? As simple as that. So let's go ahead and solve it now. 10, this becomes 29 into minus 3, so it becomes like 29 into minus 3. 29 into minus 3 is, what's it? Minus 57, right? So it is 10 minus 57, which is equal to minus 47. Done, guys. So which option is correct? There's no option minus 47. How come it's possible? Oh, sorry guys, it's not minus 57, it's minus 87. Sorry guys, it's minus 87. Because minus 3 into 29 is minus 87. So 10 minus 87 is going to give you minus 77. So minus 77, which option is correct? It's option number 3. Right, guys? Now let's go to the second sub question. 11th term of an AP. Okay guys, same question. We have to find the 11th term of an AP. We'll just write the formula of an AP, that is an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Here we have to find a of 11 equal to a. What is a? Minus 3. And they have set for 11th, so n is 11 minus 1 into d. Okay guys, now challenge is to find d. So here if you see, guys, it's like 3 minus half 2. So if you see the difference, guys, the difference is plus 2.5. Getting it, guys? The difference between these two terms is plus 2.5, because that is the common difference is plus 2.5 or just 2.5. For example, if you want to find the difference, you have to do succeeding term minus preceding term, right? So if you do this, it will become minus half minus of minus 3, right? Minus half minus of minus 3. That time it will become minus half plus 3, which is nothing but equal to 2.5. Getting it, guys? So value of d is 2.5 or 2.5, right? 2.5 means 2.5. Now let's solve it, guys. It's going to become, oh sorry, this is minus 3 plus, I didn't put plus here. So it's like a of 11 is minus 3 plus this thing. So this becomes like 10, right? 11 minus 1 is 10. 10 into 2.5, 2.5 is 2.5. 10 into 2.5 is 25. So it is minus 3 plus 25, which is equal to 22. So which option is correct, guys? It's option number B. As simple as that, guys. You have to just use the formula of an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d and put the conditions given in the question to get the unknown quantity or the nth term. From the option you will get the answer, and matching the option you will get the answer of this second question. As simple as that, guys. Now you can take the screenshot if you want. After this, let's go to the next question of this exercise. Okay guys, now let's go to the third question, which says, in the following APs, find the missing term in the boxes. Okay guys, so they have given us a AP, right? These all are APs, and then they have given the missing terms in the AP. We have to find those missing numbers of the AP, right? So how will we do it, guys? So we know that in an AP, each consecutive term is being added or subtracted. Subtraction is also adding of minus term, right? So it's being added with a common difference. So that concept we have to use, and somehow we have to find the missing term, guys. I'll tell you how. So first term is A, right? So let's take the first sub question now, right? Solution. If you take the first sub question, they are given us 2 here. In this AP, what is 2? A is equal to 2, correct? No. This is the third term. Third term is A plus 2D, right? Equal to 26. Getting it, guys? Third term is A plus 2D, right? See here, A of third term is A plus n minus 1 into d. If you put A of 3 here, it will become A is 2 plus 3 minus 2, that is 2d, equal to 26. Getting it, guys? How I did this? Getting it? 2 plus 2d equal to 26. Now we can find the value of d. I'll keep 2d this side, I'll take 2 other side, it will become 26 minus 2, it will become 24. D will become equal to 24 by 2, that is 12. So d is 12 now. To get the value of second term is a plus d, right? A plus d. So it is 2 plus d, 2 plus d is 12. So it is 2 plus 12 is 14. Getting it, guys? How we got the value of that box, right? Similarly, we'll be doing for all other sub questions, guys, right? Okay, I'll do for second sub question here itself. In second sub question, if you see, this is a plus d, right? This is a plus d, this is a plus 2d, this is a plus 3d. So here they're given a plus d as 13. So I'll just write it, a plus d equal to 13. And this is a plus 3d. So a plus 3d is equal to how much? 3. Okay, guys. Now this has become a pair of linear equations in two variable, right? The two variables are a and d, and it's a pair of linear equation. If you solve them, you'll get the value of a and d, and when you get the value of a and d, you will be easily able to fill that boxes, right? Because this is a plus 2d. By simply substituting the value of a plus d into it, you will get the value of boxes, as simple as that. So first let's find the value of a and d from here, guys. I'll do using the elimination method. So a and a cancelled. This becomes minus 2d equal to how much? This becomes 10, right? So d will become equal to 10 by minus 2 equal to minus 5. So the value of d we got it as minus 5, guys, right? Now here this is a and this is a plus d, right? A plus d is 13. Getting it, a plus d is 13 and d we got as minus 5. So a minus 5 equal to 13, which means a equal to 13. When 5 goes other side, it will become 13 plus 5, that is 18. Which means here this value is a, right? First term of an AP is a. So a is how much? 18. Getting it, guys? Done. Now what we have to find? We have to find a plus 2d. We can easily find it, guys. Just put the value of a and d into a plus 2d. A plus 2d, right? A is how much? 18 plus 2 into d. D is how much? We got it as minus 5. So this becomes 18 minus 2, 18 plus 2 into minus 5 becomes minus 10. So 18 minus 10 is 8. So here what will come, guys? Here 8 will come. Get it? Correct, right? Now let's go to the third sub question, right? I'll just rub it, guys. If you want, you can take the screenshot or make a note of it. After this, I'll be rubbing it. Okay, guys. Now let's go to the third sub question, which is 5 dash dash 5 blank blank 9 and a half, right? So this is a and this is a plus 3d. So the two things which we know is a equal to 5 and a plus 3d equal to 9 and a half. Correct now, guys? So what I'll do is I'll put this value of a into equation 2. That time it will come 5 plus 3d equal to 9 and a half. Now what I'll do, I'll keep 3d one side and I'll keep all the other numbered side numbers other side. It will become 9 and a half minus 5. So 9 and a half minus 5 is 4 and a half. Okay, so 3d equal to 4 and a half. Correct now? Which means d equal to how much? 4 and a half by 3, which is nothing but equal to 1 and a half. Getting it, guys? 4 and a half by 3 will become 1 and a half. That is 1 and a half. Getting it, guys? So the value of d is 1 and a half. Correct now? Is it correct or not? Plus 3d, 3d equal to 4 and a half. So d equal to 1 and a half. Yeah, guys, it's correct. So to get the next term, we'll add 1 and a half to 5. 5 because it is a, right? So this one is a plus d. To get this term, we'll do 5 plus d. That is 5 plus 1 and a half. 5 plus 1 and a half is 6 and a half. After 6 and a half, to get the next term, we'll add one more d, right? That's how AP progresses. 6 and a half plus 1 and a half becomes 7 plus 1, 8. So it becomes 8. Getting it, guys? Now if you add 1 and a half to 8, you'll get 9 and a half, which means it's correct, guys. Getting it? So third question is done now. Let's go to the fourth sub question now. In fourth sub question, if you see, it is minus 4 dash 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 6. Okay, guys. So a equal to minus 4. I'll do it here. So this was your which? Third sub question. Now I'll do the fourth sub question here. So a equal to minus 4, and this one is, this is a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d, a plus 4d, a plus 5d, right? Correct or not? Yeah, a plus 5d. A plus 5d equal to 6. Getting it, guys? A plus 5d equal to 6. I'll put this value of a here. It will become minus 4 plus 5d equal to 6. That time I'll take 4 to RHS, minus 4 to RHS. It will become 5d equal to 6 plus 4, 10. D will become equal to 10 by 5, that is 2. Now what we have to do is we have to keep adding on 2 to each subsequent terms in an AP. So it will become minus 4 plus 2. This will become minus 2. Minus 2 plus 2, 0. 0 plus 2, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, you are getting 6. Getting it, guys? So this was your fourth sub question. Now let's go to the fifth sub question. Right? Okay, guys, I'll rub it again. Make a note of it, or you can take the screenshot now. Done. Took the screenshot. Let's start rubbing it now. Done, guys. Now let's go to the fifth sub question. In fifth sub question, if you see, guys, they have given us the value of a plus d and a plus 4d. Correct? No. A plus 5d. Yeah, they have given the value of a plus 5d and a plus d. So a plus d is 38 and a plus 5d is minus 22. Check it out, guys. A plus 5d is minus 22, right? Now we have to find the value of a and d, and then we'll be able to find out all other blank spaces, right? Now let's do the subtraction here. Elimination method. A and a will get cancelled. If you do minus a, it will become minus 4d equal to, this minus will become plus, it will become 60. No. Yeah, it will become 60. So d will become equal to 60 by minus 4, nothing but equal to minus 15. Okay, guys, so the value of d is minus 15. Now let's find the value of a. If you substitute the value of d back into this equation, you will be getting the value of a, right? So d becomes minus 15 equal to 38, which means a will become equal to 38 plus 15, which is nothing but equal to 53. Okay, guys, so a is 53 and d is minus 15. So this term is 53. First term is 53, right? Because this is a. And then now we can generate it by ourselves, guys. Now 38 minus 15, because d is minus 15. 38 minus 15 will become equal to how much? 25. No. Sorry guys. I'm minusing 13. So 38 minus 15 will become equal to 23. Getting it? Right? No. Now when you subtract 15 from 23, you will get 8. Now when you subtract 15 from 8, you will get minus 7. Now when you subtract 15 from minus 7, you will get minus 22. So it's correct now, guys. So these were your answers of your blank spaces, or the blank spaces. That's it, guys. This was your third question, as simple as that. So what we have to do is, whatever they are given, these two terms they are given, right? With that we have to find the value of a and d first. We have to make it into a pair of linear equations in two variable, and then we have to somehow eliminate or use any method, substitution method, elimination method, or cross multiplication method, which you have learnt in your third chapter of this CBSE class 10 maths, right? Pair of linear equations in two variable. Using that, you have to solve it and find the value of a and d. After that, you can put it back into the equation and find all other values, right, guys? So this was your third question. Now I'll move aside. You can take the screenshot of this. After this, let's go to the fourth question. Okay, guys, now let's go to the fourth question, which says, which term of the AP 3, 8, 13, 18 and so on is 78? Okay, guys, this question is again based upon nth term of an AP, right? This entire exercise is based upon nth term of an AP, right, guys? So first let's write the formula. an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, right, guys? This is the main formula under this topic. Done. Now we have to find that which term of the AP is 78. So we'll write here 78. Let nth term of an AP be 78. Now we have to find that n value. Getting it, guys? So A is 3 here, right? 3 plus n minus 1 into D. What is D here? If you see the difference, it's 8 minus 3, that is 5. So D is 5. Now we have to find the value of n. So this is going to become, okay, I'll take this 3 to LHS, it will become 75 equal to n minus 1 into 5. Correct? No. Now I'll take this 5 here. Getting it, guys? I'll bring this 5 down here. Right, I'll bring this 5 down here. So n minus 1 will become equal to 75 by 5. That is nothing but equal to 1 2 5. Okay, 15 equal to n minus 1. Getting it, guys? 75 by 5 is 15 equal to n minus 1. So n will become equal to 15. When minus 1 comes to other side, it will become plus 1 equal to 16. So n equal to 16, guys. The value of n is 16, which means 78 is 16th term in this AP. That's the meaning of this answer, guys. So 78 is, finally we can conclude, therefore 78 is 16th term in the given AP. Right, guys? Now you can take the screenshot if you want. Very short and small question and answer, guys. It's very easy as well. After this, let's go to the 5th question. Okay, guys, now let's go to question number 5, which says find the number of terms in each of the following APs. Okay, guys, these two are the APs which they have given. We have to find how many terms are there in the entire AP, right? For that we have to find the value of n, right? An equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. That n we have to find for both these sub questions. That is an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. This n we have to find, guys. We have a, we have d, and we also have a of n. A of n is the last term of the AP, that is 205. So the only thing which you don't have is n, which we will be finding it now. So a of n is 205 equal to a is 7 plus n minus 1 into d. What is d? Here d is 5, guys, because 7, no, it's 6. 7, the difference between them is 6, right? 13 minus 7 is 6. So we have to find the value of n now. So what we'll do now is, okay, guys. Okay, guys, we'll start expanding this. 205. Okay, I'll do one thing, guys. I'll bring this 7 to LHS. That time it will become minus 7. When it becomes 205 minus 7, it will become 198 equal to n minus 1 into 6. Now I'll bring this 6 down. So it will become 198 by 6 equal to n minus 1. Right. So this becomes how much? 33. So 198 by 6 becomes equal to 33. So 33 equal to n minus 1, which means n will be equal to minus 1, will take it to LHS, it will become plus 1, n will become equal to 34. Right, guys, which means the total number of terms in this AP is 34. Getting it, guys? As simple as that. Now let's go to the second sub question. It is the same thing, guys. Whatever we did here, we are going to do the same thing here as well. We'll use this formula. We know a of n, that is minus 47, and we also know a, that is 18. We also know d, right? What is d here? D is minus 2.5. How? If you take the difference between them, 5.5 minus 18, right? A2 minus a1 is the d, right? D is 15.5 minus 18. This will become equal to minus 2.5. Getting it, guys? So d becomes equal to minus 2.5. So applying this formula, an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. If you see this, guys, this entire exercise is based upon this one formula. They have given, they would have manipulated a bit in the question, but the concept is the same using this formula itself. So an is minus 47 equal to 18 plus n minus 1 into d. D is minus 2.5. Right. So this will become equal to, when you bring 18 to LHS, it will become 47 minus 18, right? Minus 65, it will become minus 65 equal to n minus 1 into 2.5, right? Now what I'll do is, now I'll bring this 2.5 to, I'll bring it down. So it will become minus 65 by 2.5 equal to n minus 1, right? So this will become like 2.5 is nothing but equal to 5 by 2, right? So I'll write it as 5 by 2 if I write it 5 by 2, 5 will be here and 2 will go up, right, because of fraction. So if I do this, it will become 1, 1, 3. It will become 13. So minus 65 by 5 will become equal to 13. So it will become, this whole thing will become, minus will be there. It will become into, so it will become 2 into minus 13 equal to n minus 1. It will become equal to minus 26 equal to n minus 1, right. Then okay guys, this, okay, just a minute. Okay, this minus and this minus will get cancelled actually. When minus 2.5 will come down, no, so this minus, this term minus and that minus will get cancelled up, so minus won't be there now. It will become 26 equal to n minus 1, right, n minus 1. So n will become equal to 27. Getting it, guys? So the total number of terms in this AP is 27. Now I'll move aside. Move aside, you can take the screenshot, right? After this, let's go to the next question. Okay guys, now let's go to question number 6, which says check whether 150 is a term of an AP 11, 8, 5, 2 and so on, right guys? So that's the AP they are given. We have to check whether 150 comes in that AP. Okay guys, to check that, what we used to do, if you had seen the previous lecture, there was an example based upon this question, same as this question with different values. In that we had to see if the value of n is coming as a natural number. If the n we are going to get as a natural number, which means 150 is going to be a term in that AP. If it is not a natural number, if it's a fraction or a decimal, we'll say it's not it doesn't come in it's not a term in that AP. So what we'll first do is, first A equal to 11, right guys, and D equal to how much? Minus 3. And then we have to check whether this comes in that AP. So we'll take A of n as minus 150. So A of n equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, right? So A of n equal to minus 150 equal to A equal to 11 plus n minus 1 into D is minus 3. Done. Now we'll find the value of n. Now I'll start expanding this, guys. That time what it will happen? Okay. Minus 3n plus 3, right? So this becomes 11 plus 3 becomes 14. When I bring 14 to LHS, it will become minus 14. Minus 14 minus 150 will become minus 164 equal to 3n. Minus 3n, right? Yeah guys, so now n will become equal to 164 minus 3. So minus and minus will get cancelled, and then if you try to divide this, it won't be divisible. Getting it, guys? If you try to divide this, it won't be divisible. You won't get a natural number, you will get a fraction itself. You will get as something like something point how much will be remaining? 0.6, right? 0.66, something like that. Getting it, guys? You're getting a fraction. Can this term, can any term in an AP be like, can you say like it is 54.66th term? No, right? You can't say that. So only this n which you get should be a natural number. It's not a natural number in this case, which means minus 150 is not a term of that AP. Getting it, guys? So that's your solution. Finally, you'll conclude writing saying that, okay guys, the few steps I'm actually skipping, that is the writing part and all. Only the calculation and the conceptual part I'm explaining you, right? But when you're writing in your exam, you have to conclude it. Starting, you have to write this given, and then you have to write this formula. Applying this formula, you have to write a small sentence over there, and then at last you should conclude this, which I'm saying verbally. In your exam, you have to write it in writing form, right? And which I'm telling orally, you have to write it verbally in your exam, saying that since n is in fraction or in decimal, it's not a natural number, so minus 150 doesn't exist, doesn't comes in that AP. Like that you have to conclude, guys, right? Don't forget to do such conclusions, guys, because it's very important. It carries some marks. Only if you leave it here itself, it doesn't have any meaning, right? You have to write it. So therefore minus 150 is not a term of the given AP. Done, guys. Now you can take the screenshot. Okay guys, now let's go to question number 7, which says find the 31st term of an AP whose 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73. Okay guys, so they have given us two conditions. With that we can make two equations. After that we can find the value of A and D. After that we will be able to find the 31st term, right? So to find any term of an AP we require two things guys, right? That is A and D, right? Because they are given 31st, which means n we got as 31. So even if we want A and D and n they are already given, we will be able to find A of n, right? That's the concept guys. So first now our goal is to find A and D. That we'll find using these two conditions guys. 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73. So we'll use this formula, an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So a of 11 equal to, right, a of 11 equal to a plus n minus 1, oh just a minute guys, 11 term is, okay, so we can write it 38 here. 11 term they are given as 38 equal to a plus, it's 11, right, so n equal to 11 into d. Getting it guys? After that 16 term is 53, right? I mean 73, right? 73 equal to a plus 16th means 16 minus 1 here into d. Okay guys, these are two equations, right? Now if I simplify them, so 11 minus 1 will become 10, so it will become 10d, and 16 minus 1 will become 17. I mean sorry, it will become 15. Sorry guys, I think I'm somewhere else today. Okay, so it's 15d, right? So I'll rewrite it, 10d and 15d. Now we have to find the value of a and d. So this is like pair of linear equations in two variables. You can find the value of a and d easily, right? We'll do the elimination method here. A and d will get cancelled. This will become minus 5d equal to, so this becomes 38 minus 73. 2 plus 3, 5, 3, 35, right? So it becomes minus 35 equal to minus 5d. So d will become equal to minus 35 by minus 5 equal to 7. Minus minus will get cancelled. You will get d as 7. Now if you put back the value of d in any of these two equations, we will be able to find the value of a, right? So if I put this value of d in equation 1, I'll get 38 equal to a plus 70. Getting it guys? 38 equal to a plus 70. Then a will become equal to 38 minus 70, which is nothing but equal to how much? Minus 32. Getting it guys? So we got a and we also got d. Now it's not a big deal to find the 31st term. To find the 31st term, we'll just apply the formula a of 31 equal to a plus n minus 1, that is 31 minus 1 into d. 31 equal to a plus 31 minus 1 into d. So what is a? A we got it as minus 32 plus 31 minus 1 is 30 and d is 7. Correct guys? So this will become 210 minus 32 plus 210. So this will be reduced to 178. So this becomes equal to 178. Okay guys, so the 31st term of this AP is 178. That's the answer guys. As simple as that, right? Found the answer. First what we did is, using these two conditions, 11 term of an AP is 38 and 16 term of an AP is 73, we formulated these two equations by applying this formula, and then by using elimination method of pair of linear equations in two variable, because it's pair of equation with two variables, right, a and d, and then we got the value of a and d, and then we applied the same formula to find for 31st term and found the value of 31st term of this AP. Getting it guys? Now you can take the screenshot. After this, let's go to question number 8. So okay guys, now let's go to question number 8, which says an AP consists of 50 terms, of which third term is 12 and the last term is 106. Find the 29th term. Okay guys, so it's same as the previous question which I had solved guys. Not the previous, but I guess question number 6 or something, which was quite similar to this one. in which they'll give us two conditions. You'll be formulating pair of linear equations in two variable and find the value of a and then d, and then we'll be able to find the value of 29 term as well if we have the value of a and d, right? So for that, first we'll do for the first condition, which says the third term is 12, which means a plus 2d is 12, because third term is a plus 2d, right? And the last term, they're saying there are how many terms? 50 terms, which means last term is 50th term, which means a plus 49d, right, equal to 106. Now we have to find the value of d, guys. So let's go ahead. This is pair of linear equations in two variable. I'll do the subtraction now. So this is going to become like minus 47d equal to, this will become 106. Okay, if I subtract this, this is going to become 9. Okay, no, 4, 94. Okay, this is going to become minus 94. Okay guys, so d is nothing but equal to minus 94 by minus 47. This is nothing but equal to 2. Getting it? So value of d is 2. Now if I put back the value of d into first equation, I'll get a plus 2 into 2, 4 equal to 12. That is, a will become equal to 12 minus 4. When I take this 4 to RHS, it will become 12 minus 4. So a equal to 8. Correct, right? A plus 2d equal to 12, right? A plus 2 into 2 equal to 12. So a equal to 12 minus 4 equal to 8. Getting it, guys? So a equal to 8 and d equal to 2. Now we have to find the 29th term, applying the same formula. A of n equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. A of n is, we have to find a is how much? A is 8, so it is 8 plus 29, right? 29 minus 1 into d. D is 2. So this is going to become 8 plus 28 into 2. 28 into 2 is 56. 56 plus 8 is 64. Getting it, guys? So the 29th term in this AP is 64. As simple as that, guys. Getting it? The two conditions they had given us, using two condition, we formulated these two pair of linear equations in two variable. Then by using elimination method, we first found the value of d, and then substituting back the value of d into equation 1, found the value of a. If in case you don't know how to do this, you can watch my pair of linear equations in two variable, how to find the solution of pair of linear equation in two variable of the third chapter of this same, guys, of this same CBSE class 10 max. It's already in my playlist. After that, finding the value of a and d, we substituted in the equation a n equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, which is the standard equation in this topic, right? Then after substituting, we got the value as 64. As simple as that, guys. You can take the screenshot or you can note it down. Okay guys, now let's go to the ninth question, which says, if the third and the ninth term of an AP are 4 and minus 8 respectively, which term of an AP is 0? Okay guys, it's almost same as the previous question. They have given us two conditions and they have asked us a question based upon those two conditions, right? After solving those two conditions, we'll have enough data to put back into equation and find the question, right? That's what we had been doing it. So now let's see it, guys. First, let's write what and all is given. They are given that if the third term and the ninth term of an AP are so and so. First, let's write it mathematically. Third term is a plus 2d and the ninth term is a plus 8d. They said it's equal to 4 and minus 8 respectively. Correct? No? Right. Now we have to find the value of a and d, and then we'll be able to analyze whether there is any term in this AP which is 0. So we'll do the elimination method, guys. Minus, this becomes minus 6d. So this minus will become plus, equal to 12. Getting it, guys? So d will become equal to, right, minus 12 by 6 equal to minus 2. So d we got as minus 2. If I put this value back into the first equation, I'll get as a plus 2 into minus 2, that is minus 4, a plus minus 4, that is a minus 4 equal to 4, which means a equal to 8. Correct? No, guys? See here, a plus 2 into minus 2. In first equation, if I put it, it will become minus 4. So it becomes a minus 4 equal to 4, which means a will become equal to 4 plus 4, that is 8. So a equal to 8 and d equal to minus 2. Now we have to check whether any term is 0. Okay, so we'll apply this formula now. A plus n minus 1 into d. We have to see if n comes as a natural number. while putting a of n as 0, if we have to see whether n will come as a natural number. If it comes as a natural number, we'll say that there is a term in this AP which is 0. Getting it, guys? That's the concept. So 0, we'll put it here, equal to a. A is how much? 8 plus n minus 1 into d. Correct? No? Right. Now what I'll do is, I'll bring this 8 to LHS. It will become minus 8 equal to n minus 1 into minus 2. Now I'll bring this minus 2 towards LHS, so it will come down in division. It will become minus 8 by minus 2 equal to n minus 1. This minus minus will get cancelled. It will become 4. Right. So n minus 1 equal to 4, which means n will become equal to 4 plus 1, that is, it will become equal to 5. Getting it, guys? So it is a natural number. 5 is a natural number, which means in this AP, which starts with 8, right, which starts with 8, and then d we got as minus 2, it will be like, the AP will be like 8, 6, 4, 2, 0. Getting it, guys? If you see here, the fifth term, so on, right, 0, minus 2, and so on. If you see here, guys, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, the same it came here as well. The fifth term in this AP will come as 0. So we checked whether any term, that is, whether any nth term of this AP comes out to be 0. We put 0 here, and then we saw whether we are getting a natural number. We got that fifth term in the AP is 0. So which means 0 comes in this AP, guys. That's the meaning. Finally, we will conclude saying that, okay, which term they asked. So it is the fifth term. Fifth term of the AP is 0. Done, guys. Now you can take the screenshot. Okay, guys. Now let's go to the 10th question, which says the 17th term of an AP exceeds its 10th term by 7. Find the common difference. So they are telling that, guys, if you write an entire AP, the 17th term exceeds the 10th term. Getting it? 17th term will be somewhere here. Exceeds the 10th term by 7. That is, 17th term is 7 more than the 10th term. We can mathematically write it as, a of 17, that is 17th term, minus a of 10th term. Right? They are talking about the difference. Exceeds, right? Which means they are talking about difference is equal to 7. Getting it, guys? So this let's write in mathematically. A of 17 is a plus 17 minus 1 into d, right? Because n minus 1 into d. This becomes 16d. So this becomes 16d minus this whole thing. This is the 17th term. Now the 10th term is like a plus 9d. Done. Equal to 7. Now we have to find the value of d, guys. So a and a will get cancelled, right? Because it is plus a here and minus a here. It will get cancelled. It will become 16d minus 9d equal to 7. So this is going to become like 7d equal to 7. Then d will become equal to 7 by 7, that is 1. Done, guys. D is 1. That's what we had to find. Find the common difference. Therefore, the common difference is 1. As simple as that, guys. It's very small, short question, and even the answer is quite short. That's it, guys. This might come for like 2 marks actually, not more than that, right? Okay, guys. Now you can take the screenshot of it. Okay, guys. Now let's go to the 10th question, which says the 17th term of an AP exceeds its 10th term by 7. Find the common difference. So they are telling that, guys, if you write an entire AP, the 17th term exceeds the 10th term. Getting it? 17th term will be somewhere here. Exceeds the 10th term by 7. That is, 17th term is 7 more than the 10th term. We can mathematically write it as, a of 17, that is 17th term, minus a of 10th term. Right? They are talking about the difference. Exceeds, right? Which means they are talking about difference is equal to 7. Getting it, guys? So this let's write in mathematically. A of 17 is a plus 17 minus 1 into d, right? Because n minus 1 into d. This becomes 16d. So this becomes 16d minus this whole thing. This is the 17th term. Now the 10th term is like a plus 9d. Done. Equal to 7. Now we have to find the value of d, guys. So a and a will get cancelled, right? Because it is plus a here and minus a here. It will get cancelled. It will become 16d minus 9d equal to 7. So this is going to become like 7d equal to 7. Then d will become equal to 7 by 7, that is 1. Done, guys. D is 1. That's what we had to find. Find the common difference. Therefore, the common difference is 1. As simple as that, guys. It's very small, short question, and even the answer is quite short. That's it, guys. This might come for like 2 marks actually, not more than that, right? Okay, guys, now you can take the screenshot of it.